Her vital statistics 38, 28, and 38, and she is from Caloocan City.
Ang hindi papalakpak, pangit. Ang hindi hihiyaw, lalong pangit. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and what is essential is indeed invisible to the naked eye. Mga kaibigan, narito po sa inyong harapan, si Ginger Villamor. And since tonight, this is a pageant, I stand by the name, ang pinakamagandang mukha nung 90s, ang pinapantasya ng mga lolo nyo, ang pinapantasya ng mga tiyuhin nyo, at pinapantasya ng mga tatay nyo. Ako po ang nag-iisang reyna ng sabong, Miss Gretchen Barreto. Gretchen Barreto na nagmula pa sa Rojas City Capiz. Kayo mga judges, pag di nyo ko sinama sa top 5, malay nyo, huling hapunan ko na kayo. And I thank you.
Every challenge is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to serve others with purpose. A true success doesn't define by titles, but by the positive impact we can make through compassion and integrity. By choosing kindness and unity, we can make through meaningful change for the better future. Standing here before your eyes is a young, 21 years old woman who hails from the place where the situation you can find with the silver lining. Yes, I am from Puting Bato, Tondo, lungsod ng Maynila. I am a psychology graduate from the National Teachers College, and I am living as a human resources specialist by profession, a runway model by passion, but tonight, I am your rising star, new pageant sensation. And yes, please remember me by the name of one and only Joan Crisostomo de los Reyes Lopez. And yes, judges, this national costume is inspired by one and only Maria Clara. Yes. So this is your girl Maria Clara, and my national costume was inspired by her. And yes, this is Joan again. Again, this is Joan Crisostomo de los Reyes Lopez saying, sit back and relax because this baby girl will set this stage on fire. Thank you.
Visayas, Mindanao, tinig mo ay sadyang kahanga. Ang galing ng Pilipino.
Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. For I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 22 years old this center. It's showtime. Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multipacks, first runner-up. This is your face card paborito, Miss Karen Montesilio. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. My name is Miss Loisa Andalio. Na nagsasabing, umulan man o umaraw, the show must go on. Maraming salamat po.
Kikinig sa kwento ng iyong buhay at saksi ang buong bansa. Ang lalim mo kapatid.
Barangay 70 Caloocan. This is Cumin Blair Manicad, 20 from Malabon City. Thank you so much and mabuhay.
Pilipinas, kanta na Pilipinas, kanta na Pilipinas, ipakita na ang galing ng Pilipino. Tara na kanta na Pilipinas, oo, tara na kanta ng Pilipinas. Sa Mandako, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, tinig mo ay sadyang
People of Caloocan City, hi! Hello! Hep hep! Hooray! Thank you so much. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity, femininity, and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever be a proof that we will always be part of what you called society. Naimbag, napintas, kanaragsak, kanabi, kanatayuamin, or should I say, what a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and every one, to our distinguished and honorable panel of the Board of Judges, and to all of our audience tonight, magandang gabi po. Standing in front of you is a 23-year-old dishonor. I am hailing all the way from the municipality of Umingan, province of Pangasinan. Allow me to introduce myself. I am ML Tukay. You're recently crowned in one of the most prestigious trans beauty pageants in our country. You're Queen of Quiapo Universe 2026. And for this evening, hayaan niyo pong mag-iwan ako ng mga simpleng katagang hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawa na kailanman sa buhay natin bilang tao ay hindi pamantayan ang antas o estado ng pamumuhay o pinag-aralan meron ka. Lagi nating tatandaan na lahat ng bagay na nakikita ng ating mga mata, ang ating pisikal na kaanyuan, kayamanan, pagdating ng araw ay mawawala. Ngunit ang pagmamahal na handa mong ibahagi sa iyong kapwa ay isang napakagandang regalong kailanman ay hindi mawawala. Once again, people of Caloocan City, you only have a small number of candidates. But believe me when I say this, it's not about quantity, it's always about quality. And for this evening, I may only be your one and only Ilocana beauty queen to step on the stage. But believe me, I'm gonna compete until the end and I will give you a show you'll definitely learn from. Judges, ladies and gentlemen, tonight I am very much proud to wear an authentic costume that does not just pay tribute to the religious church, but also a symbol of hope, faith, compassion, and unity. Our Lady of Guadalupe, the Sacred Mother and Child, Mary and Jesus. Good evening! Patuloy po nating sulitin ang gabi. Bagamat hindi nakikisama ang panahon, huwag po kayong mag-alala. Titiisin po namin ang kaunting ambon. Mapasaya lamang ang mga mamamayan ng Caloocan. Maraming po salamat.
Pilipinas, kanta na ipakita na ang galing.
Ang kandidata ng Barangay 70, isa lang po ang pinaka pinakamasarap. At si candidate number 7 yun. Joke lamang po. Sa basihan ng kagandahan ng gandang Pilipinang kasuotan ng ilan, hindi basihan kung ito'y kalakihan, kakinangan at kailawan, dahil ang tunay na kasuotang Pilipina ay binabase kung paano ito dalhin ng isang gandang Pilipina. Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Currently a student as a senior high school student and the outstanding with honors and Arellano University, Elisa Esguerra Campus. Kung tunay na may narating ka, ipakita mo para hindi ka maging kontrobersya. My name is J.D. Cruz Ruano. The only 18 years old stunner is the one of the Batang Contesera ng Barangay Tunsuya, Lungsod ng Malaboy. My national costume wearing tonight is just meaning to say the tradis costume of Pilipina, just meaning to say nationalismo, pollutionation, isa sa lumalaban sa politikang madumi ng ating bansa. Judges, sa ganitong uri po ng patimpalak, tawagin man po kaming bakla, salot o tsaring-tsaring. Amin ang gabing ito, tagahanga lang po namin kayo. At bago kulisanin ang 4 na sulok ng entabladong ito, sisiguraduhin ko ngayong gabi na may baklang edukado ang siyang tunay na tatatak. Judges, mark my number dahil ngayong gabi, bibigyan ko kayo ng magandang laban. Magandang gabi po.
Thank you so
Once again, candidate number 8.
Wala pong Mama Mary na nagsasalita.
Charot lamang po yun. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Wala po bang malakas na hiyawan dyan? Thank you very, very much. While celebrating beauty and diversity, this program, Queen of Barangay 70 2026, aims to promote the beauty and richness of our diverse communities. Ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, standing in front of you is a 28-year-old stunner who hails all the way from the land of the most beautiful sirenas in the Philippines, Piñahan, Quezon City. My name is Casey Banyes Pakulan. I am your Queen of Quezon City 2018 and your reigning Miss International Queen Philippines NCR. Tonight is more than just a fiesta. Tonight is a celebration of beauties all over the Philippines. And ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, talking about national, cultural, or creative costume, This elegant ensemble represent the timeless beauty and grace of Filipino fashion. I am wearing a modern Filipiniana, and this depicts a significant connection to the divine feminine, loving, selfless, compassionate. Ladies, gentlemen, I am your candidate number 8. Please do remember my number, because tonight I will give you the best show and a night that you will never, ever forget. Good evening.
Happy viewing nga po natin Miss Patricia Montecarlo.